I have an old Honda CR-V from 2003. It's generation 2 and it's quite slow and it's automatic, but I am in Indonesia and some of the hills are crazy steep. So I am gonna show you my tricks how to get up through these steep hills, because even this one looks like incredibly steep. The obvious first thing is like put it on the first gear. If you don't have this like 1-2, then yeah, you are kind of screwed, because mode drive you cannot do it. It's ridiculous. Don't try to go down and up these hills. But if you have possibility to make it stay on the first gear, then you should be able to do it, but it's gonna be hard. So first step, obviously, just before the hill, try to get as much as run up as possible. Stick it in the first gear and reel it up very high, maybe to like 4 or even 5,000 if the hill is very steep. And then just try to go as fast and make sure to honk, because you don't want to meet a car in that scenario. And the most useful thing I figure out later is actually to try zigzag on the road, and this might actually really do make the difference, because yeah, as soon as the car starts like dropping down, you just do a little zigzags, and then even if you are like stuck on the hill, then try to get it run diagonal here and this. I think this big lorry truck is actually better for this job than my car, but yeah, I'm already here. There is only way how to get out of his, and that's this crazy steep hill. So okay, so as much as run up as possible, put it into first gear and then just floor it. I really need to get it to like 4 or 5 through. See, easy, but just keeps going, so make sure to keep it high up. Little bit of straight, but it's gonna be only temporary, so keep on going, keep on going. Yes, don't worry about making the engine go in so high revs. For a short time it's not really that damaging, and you really need it, because otherwise you are not gonna make it. So come on, car, come on, come on, you make it. I know it's steep, but it's not far. Come on, come on. Yeah, I think this is it. We are stuck. One cheat code how to climb the hill that's too steep for his car. Because the road is quite wide and it has also the runoff areas, I can just zigzag on the road, which makes it a little bit less steep, and it made me get up on this hill. So yeah, I'm just stopping again for the car to have a break, because I think this is pushing it too much, but it's just like last 50 meters or something. So come on, car, you can do it. This should be the highest point. I think I've made it. Oh my god, that was pushing too much, definitely.
Dorazili jste do cíle.
Right, so I'm on the other side of the hill. It was not really that bad, but if you don't make the right preparations and you are stuck in the middle of the hill, it can be very frustrating, and trust me, I've been there. So yeah, just you need to be brave and just push the throttle and just make it go fast and make it go high in the roughs, and that way it can actually make it. So I hope this guide was a little bit helpful, and stay safe and see you on the road.